Are you stuck in nostalgia like me? I wanna know, darling, am I done? Feel like I've been holding on too long. Ooh, Molly, are you stuck in nostalgia like me?
Hey guys, Tony here. I hope you like my commercial there. There's gonna be more coming out. Well, more Angry Birds coming out. That's my game. That's my game from the start since I was born. I just love that game. Anyway, that's just a commercial. I posted a video because I want to show I'm getting better at my YouTube video and getting a lot of help from my friends. Plus, there's gonna be more YouTube videos, and there's going to be episodes. So there's a lot going on right now, and there's going to be more posting videos. I was trying to post more videos, but my video editing just freezed on me, so I had to restart it. I had to delete it and restart it. So that's fine. No videos haven't been popping up like that. And thank you for watching my